Okay, so now the fun part, the finishing details of Demi. So you've sculpted, you have dimension on your face, you've brightened, you've dealt with the most distracting distractions on your face. Remember, those were only 3 distractions. And then now we're gonna do kind of the finishing touches of Demi Colour. So if you don't know me, my name's Kelly Chakarian and I am a Seint makeup artist. I do Demi Colour as well, and I'm a certified Demi Colour artist with Seint. And so I'm going to be teaching you guys kind of the finishing touches of Demi. And once you get the hang of sculpt and brightening, now we get to have a little bit of fun. Okay, so I am just going to be adding in a little bit of color. I've had a lot of breakouts in here and they're virtually gone. I had a ton of redness on my chin and under eyes, and now I'm happy with where I'm at. So I am going to add blush. So before I do like even the smallest finishing touches, I add blush because I feel like blush adds a lot of color to the face, and then you can kind of see what little things you want to add to take it to the next level. Blush might be it and you're done and you can go on with your day, or you might want to have a little bit more fun. So I am going to go in with my blush color. And be careful with blush because they're very highly pigmented. Now I'm just putting it on the apples of my cheeks and blending it up here and a little bit over my sculpt. Okay, you can see I get a pretty, just natural flush. Bit of sculpt to my lips. I like to go in with NV because I already have a natural kind of purple edge to my lips, so I'm just going to enhance that a little more. That just gives a little bit more dimension to my lips. And right here I still have some kind of pink, and I'm going to go in with G1 and just kind of neutralize that pink right here. And now it just kind of popped my Cupid's bow and really just defined my lips. And I actually really like my natural lip color now that everything around it is neutralized a little bit more. And I'm not going to even put lip color there. Okay, couple finishing details. I have this little kind of purple vein right here that I'm going to neutralize real quick. Okay, that's gone. And now you can see right here, I'm pretty yellow right in here, and I'm going to just make that pop and be extra bright with just a little bit of violet. And that just kind of like pops the center of my forehead, redefines my nose contour, and I'm just very bright right there. That's just a small little touch that you can do. So right here on the inner corners of my eyes is yellow. So I'm gonna put violet right there too, and that's just gonna make it pop like a natural illuminator. Not crazy, it's just like so light and bright right there in the center. That just gives it a pop, like wakes me up. Okay, I'm done. All I need to do is put on brows, but those are some little finishing touch details that you can do with Demi Colour. But you can see I have this natural flush now. I have my sculpt. I have everything neutralized that I didn't want to see, and now my skin is just kind of doing its thing.